Sorry for the noise in the background, but you can see this is embedded dirt. Yes, we can get it out. First, what we'll use is the air compressor, which is right here, and we have the Tornador. Air compressor right now is at 110 psi. You can see all that dust coming out. So dust is out. Now, obviously, we're gonna actually have to do this car twice or more than twice to get all the dirt out, because if you can see there, the air's blowing around and everything else. There's nothing we can do about it. So yeah, we have to go over our work. But anyways, we're gonna get the deep sand out now. This is the hard to get sand. This is the Tornador, and we're just gonna go over the Tornador. This is gonna be real easy now. So now we're going over the Tornador. I need to get a bigger air compressor. The pressure's dropped a little bit too much, so we just gotta wait for it to charge up. So we'll start circling again. Give it another go now. Okay, that's pretty much what we do. You can see the difference right there. But I'm going to let the Tornador charge up a little bit and then give this another whack. And then we'll probably have to get another go, because we need to get this stuff out here and that stuff out there.